StudyBlue is a study app for the students. It's flashcards, build flashcards. You can browse certain flashcards, sets of flashcards that you want. This is a science one. Basically, you can ask how many flip cards, you can take a quiz, you can get a printable review sheet. So that way, if for some reason their computer is not on or say charged and they can't find their charging cable, they have a hard copy of the flashcards, and they just go through the list and study them. And I think it's a great way to study the content, and I really enjoy StudyBlue, and I plan to switch it out for Quizlet. I think there's a lot more detail. You can actually load pictures easier than with Quizlet. And I find some of the actual definitions are not just handwritten by someone pulled from Quizlet. StudyBlue covers the ISTE for students, 2B, 3A, 1B, and I think it's a great procedural topic.